y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am teaching you how to do this cute curly pony. I'm so obsessed with it. I do already have another curly hair pony. Well, not another curly hair pony, but I do have another ponytail tutorial. But I actually did this one a lot different, and this one is a lot quicker, a lot easier, and like less hassle. So if you guys want to learn how to get this cute curly pony, then keep on watching. Okay, so we are jumping straight in. We are starting with wet curly hair. Since we are using a curly pony, I am going to leave my hair in its natural state. So my hair is freshly washed. It is still damp. To me, this is the best way for me to work with my hair. It's easier for me to detangle it. So I'm going to take my Deadman brush and just brush out all those kinks and knots, because you know, with this natural curly hair, it gets hella nappy, hella quick. My hair dries up. It soaks up water really, really fast. So I like to do this part super quickly. So after brushing out all the knots and kinks, I'm then going to take my Eco Styler gel. This is the sativa one. I normally like my olive oil one. To me, it makes my ponies last a lot longer, but I am currently out of it. So I just grabbed what I had in my hair storage, you know, but I would recommend the Eco olive oil one. That's the one that comes in the green container. That one just lays my hair a lot longer than this guy does. Once I add the gel, I am then going to just brush my hair up some more, taking out whatever knots and kinks we do have left to get that perfect ponytail. And then I'm just going to secure my hair with a scrunchie, whatever you like to use, rubber band scrunchie. I prefer scrunchies because they don't pull my hair out. Once you do that, you are then just want to separate your pony into two and pull tightly to make sure it's super tight. Now I'm just going to pull out all of my baby hairs because I am now about to go in with my Got To Be glue, the black container. I love this stuff because this also helps secures my pony. It makes my pony last a little over a week depending on how long I actually want to wear it. But with using the olive oil Eco Styler gel and this Got To Be glue gel, oh honey, your pony will last you a full week. So I just add the Got To Be glue on top of the other Eco Styler gel. I avoid all my baby hairs because I don't want to lay my baby hairs just yet. So once I add the Got To Be glue, I then just brush my hair a little bit more to smooth everything out. Now I'm taking my Denman brush to clear out my curly ends to make sure everything's cleared out once more. To me, the perfect pony is when your hair is 100% smoothed out and there's no kinks and knots. That's when your hair is just going to be hella bomb and it's going to look super perfect and it's going to last real long. Now I'm just braiding the end of my hair, so I'm just going to braid it until we get like halfway to the bottom, because then this is when we're going to add our extensions. So I have two wefts here, two Unice curly hair wefts. This hair, y'all, I'm pretty sure this hair is 3 years old. It's been through a lot, but it's still manageable. It's still perfect. It still has its curl pattern, and it's just still super cute. And I paid a lot of money for this, so I'm going to use it still. So now what I do here is just separate an end piece of my weft and I braid it into the end of my natural curly hair. You see what I'm doing? It's a lot easier for you to watch than for me to explain. So I'm just braiding until I get to the end of my hair. And I'm going to take a rubber band to secure it just in case somehow my hair unravels. There's also a rubber band there to secure. This is so much easier than using thread and a needle. It's so much faster. I'm obsessed with this new method. It's real easy and it's gonna last you a hot little minute. Okay, so now we are just going to wrap both of the bundles around your braid. You're just going to naturally move up as you wrap and just making sure you pull tight every time you do wrap it around, just so it's secure. Okay, so at this point I realized both of my wefts were not the same length. So for the shorter piece, I secured it by putting it into my ponytail holder, the ending of that one, and then the ending of the other piece, I continued to wrap it until I got to a little piece at the end. I took that strand and I wrapped that strand around my ponytail. So this is going to help secure the ending of your pony, and it's also going to tighten your ponytail as well. So once you get to the end of that piece, I then take some Got2b glue. You could take that or some freeze spray just to secure the wrappings of the hair that you just wrapped. You can also use a bobby pin, but I don't like to use bobby pins because I feel like the tension it makes my head hurt. It's very, very weird. But once you do that, you're kind of finished. All you have to do now, just because I want to secure that wrap a little bit more, I'm taking another piece of hair from the back. I'm wetting it, detangling it, and then I'm going to wrap that around the ponytail once more to just give you that high fashion editorial look. I love the way this looks. It adds like that extra razzle dazzle to your ponytail, and it's just not your basic ponytail. It's like bad bitch ponytail, you know. But after you do that, all you have to do is just detangle your hair. I wet it with some water. All I use is water in this, and after that, you're done. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.
Next level.